Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Make Money with Tonero. On this my Anchor tutorial video, we are going to look out for how to register somebody. So assuming you are now a registered member and you want to register somebody else, how can you do it? So this is a video demonstration on how you can go about it. Now after you must have logged into your account, you scroll down a little bit and you see your referral link right there. You click on copy. Once you copy and you are set to register somebody, you need to log out from your account first. So to log out from your account, click on the menu on the button, click on the menu and select on log out. Now that you are logged out, you can now paste your referral link in the address bar. Paste the address link, your referral link, and click on send. Now here is the registration portal where you have to fill in the details of the person that you want to register. So make sure that the information is accurate. You have the first name, last name, username, email, phone number. So these details you are to get from the person that you want to register first before you can go ahead with this. After you are done with this page, with this information page, you click on continue. There you have the last page which you have to complete. Select the country, the password of the person, the coupon code. If you don't have coupon code, you can click on the link in the description of this video to get the coupon code. Then after you've gotten the coupon code, you paste it there in the coupon code area. You select a package, either silver or pro, based on the package the person is going for. Then this referred by, it must be your username. If it's not your username, that means once you're done with the registration, you will not see referral bonus. So make sure that referred by, the name that is there in that field, is your username. Once every details is being completed, you click on the I agree to terms and conditions and then click on the sign up button. If you receive an error that the username has been already taken, then you have to click on this back button, change the username to a more unique username, because most times a lot of people are already signed up and that username has been taken by another user. So after changing to another name, you click on continue again. Your details that you filled already will always be there. It will not be erased. So after you continue, you now click on the sign up that you wanted to click before. Once you're done with that, you'll receive a message that your registration has been successful. Now the next thing is to sign into that account. But if you are registering for somebody, you can let the person know that the account has been successfully registered. So you send the person the login link, which is this link, of course. And so that's all that's all on how to register somebody on Anchor. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you get updated on all the tutorial videos on how to go about Anchor and any other helpful information in the future. Thank you and bye for now. On our next video, we'll be looking out for how to perform tax, how to withdraw, and all the helpful videos that you want.